How to buy Zorb token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money or also crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Found your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on about this token, go and check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 8 hours ago and increased by 43,000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trending number 3 in the base section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy this token address and open your wallet. I will use the BITGET wallet for that. After that, as you can see, you can log into your wallet first. Now, as you can see here, make sure to select the base as a network and now click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. And as you can see, this also now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now what you need to do here, now you could go back and now keep searching until you find your token that you just added called Zorb. Now after you find it, now just click on it. Now click here on swap. Make sure to switch it from here. Now from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And now you can type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Zorb token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in this video.